Here's a practical introduction on how to use chaos physics to cause mayhem. Before starting, make sure you have these plugins turned on. First, grab something to destroy. Go to fracture mode and with your actor selected, create a geometry collection. Second, fracture the geometry collection. This allows us to kaboom it into these small pieces. Make sure to keep an eye out on the damage threshold. Simply put, we need the physical forces values to be higher than whatever is set here for the destruction to happen. Third, create a blueprint of type field system actor. With this, we can trigger the explosion forces. Fourth, inside this blueprint, a collision sphere and two simple field-specific components, radial falloff and radial vector. Transient fields allow us to trigger these physical forces. As mentioned before, make sure your field magnitude is beyond the damage threshold of the geometry collection you're planning to blow up. Keep in mind, there's a lot more field components, field types, as well as physics types, so feel free to experiment. Lastly, just to make it usable, a simple way to spawn this bomb from the player and then detonate it. Additionally, I added an anchor field from the engine content, where you can find several more examples of ready-made fields. The anchor fields cancel out the effects of the physical forces in the area where it's placed. Make sure to connect it to the geometry collection to actually use it. Now testing it again, we see the chaos physics at work. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.